Welcome to Obligr.com. Login Reseller Demo account on. Check the demo credentials mentioned here. Enter username. Enter password and click on Accept Terms and Conditions. Now, click on Login. Welcome to Reseller Dashboard. Now, let's see first how to add clients. Click on Manage Clients option, click on Add New Clients. Now create a new user by adding your client's details. Click on Add Client. On top of your screen you will see a message, Client successfully added. Now let's add credits to that user. Select username. Select credit type. Enter credits. Enter service type. Enter cost. Enter tax slab. Click on Submit Credits. On top of your screen you will see a message, Credits successfully submitted. And from your account, credits will be assigned to your user. Now let's manage the clients. Go to Manage Clients, click on Manage Clients. Here you can see all clients list with credits details. Click on Play button to see all details of your clients. You can active and disable your clients. And also delete clients from here. Now go to Manage Resellers. Click on Add New Reseller. Select username, whom you want to make your reseller. Enter his subdomain or domain details. Click on Create Reseller. You can check the description for CNAME record for reseller creation. Now go to View Reseller option. Here you can see all reseller list with their respective URLs. Also, you can edit or disable reseller from here. Now, let's see how to edit website settings. First we will check how to update web content. In this, you can edit your reseller web content, which your user will see on your login screen. Now, let's see how to change logo. From this screen, you can upload logo. Please see the instruction before upload. Now, let's see how to update Favicon. From this screen, you can upload Favicon. Please see the instruction before upload. Now, let's see how to change website theme color. From this screen, you change website theme color as per your need. Now, let's see how to manage news. From this screen, you can add the news for your customers. It can be used for service or technical related updates for your customers. You can easily manage it. That's it. Now you have learned basic reseller platform on Obligr platform. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice time.